Hello, my loves. Today I am so excited because I'm packing for my trip to Hawaii, and this is my suitcase right here. So we are going to prep and pack her together. I'm gonna lay out all my outfits on the bed, so we're gonna run through everything on my travel checklist as well as do a little glow up routine. So I have some appointments booked and some errands to run, so we'll do all of those together to get ready for vacation. And she's super excited, I'm super excited, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the first thing I like to do whenever I'm packing for a trip is to lay out all my outfits and then try them on. And I like to plan out which outfits I will wear on each day according to my itinerary planned so I can have an appropriate outfit to match whatever activities I'm doing for that day. Planning it all out like this really helps so I don't overpack, and I also make sure I end up wearing each piece that I bring. Another tip I have is to try on the entire outfit, and that means with accessories, with the earrings, with the cute shoulder bag, with the shoes, and take a photo of each outfit that you try on, and that way you can reference it on your trip and know what goes with what, as well as be sure you're not missing any jewelry or accessories that go with the outfit. Save yourself some brain power, and also you won't be lost on what to wear. Nail refresh time. I headed to my nail appointment and I'm so obsessed with these nails. I wanted to do a fun tropical summer vibe, and I honestly love these nails year round, but the summer it always makes that much more sense. I also trimmed my hair of any split ends, which was much needed with my new barber scissors I ordered. Don't use regular scissors, guys, it matters. I was gonna go run some errands and go shopping really quick, but it turns out when I go to the store, they don't have anything that I need. So, of course, I Amazon Primed a few goodies and things that I need for my trip. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. As an essential, of course, I need a little liquids travel kit to bring. I got this one off of Amazon. It was like 10 bucks, so that was pretty cool. They have little labels for everything, and I'm gonna put my liquids in here. It's a cute little dusty pink color. And then we have a big box. Ooh, so this is really cool, you guys. I'm very excited for this one. What do you guys think it is? It's kind of massive. Okay, I ordered these snorkels, which literally looks like a Darth Vader mask. But last time I was in Hawaii, I saw this group of girls like wearing this kind of snorkel, and I had the other snorkel where, like, you know, the traditional one where you put it like on your eyes and then you breathe through the tube, not like the full face one. So that one didn't work so well, I'm gonna be honest. Like, water kept getting in, and like I hate like the mouth piece thing. I think that's super nasty. So I saw that they had these on Amazon. I was like, oh, this is so cool. And it has like this little tube thing that you put on the top. So we're gonna see how it goes in Hawaii. You can do like free diving, I think it's called, when you go a bit deeper when you're snorkeling, because this right here, this tube, it has like a little ball inside where if you do go under the water won't keep pouring in. It'll put a stop to it, which is really cool. So I'm super excited to see how it works, and it's pink. So that's super cute. I like the pink and black. I think that's cute. This is kind of big. How am I gonna fit this in my suitcase? But I'm excited to try it. Also, I totally need to buy my own snorkel because I think, you know, the rentals, like, that is pretty nasty, you guys. You do not want to be sharing that all the mouthpieces and stuff with other people. I just think that's so wrong and unsanitary that that was ever a thing. Plus, all they do is like what? They just spray it with like some kind of cleaning spray. They don't do anything. It's like, I can't even think about it. So I got these little toothpastes, these travel size ones. This is the toothpaste I use. It's the Boca toothpaste. This is the whitening one in Refresh Mint. I like this one because it has really good ingredients and it's fluoride free, which is awesome. And I needed a little restock on my hair conditioner because she's running out and I cannot run out on my trip. So I got this, this like deep damage repair hair mask. It's like a Korean brand and I've been using this for quite some time. Oh, also, I'm getting bug spray today. Can't show you guys because it's coming today, but this is the one that I get. It's for babies because I'm a baby. No, I will, yes. But I like to use like products for babies because the ingredients are a lot cleaner and natural and safe. The ingredients are really good. I used this one when I was in Bali and I just want bug spray. But yeah, alrighty, let's move on. Moving on to packing makeup and skincare, this is the bag I'm using. I really like how it is lined with this plastic film, so it's super easy to clean. And whenever you pack your makeup, I highly recommend to do your makeup while you pack it. That way you don't forget anything and you go through all the steps. There have been so many times I have gone on trips and forgot my beauty blender or my eyeshadow brush because I wasn't going through it step by step with my brushes, with my sponges, and with each makeup product that I use. So that's one of my #1 tips. Hello you guys, I'm in Target right now. I'm in the travel section and I got my little soap, but I also got this little case for it because I feel like you can pack, instead of bringing like a liquid body soap, I feel like a good travel hack is to buy the soap bar, which I have right here, and then you don't have to pack more liquids, as well as it's gonna last longer. And I have this little box so I can put it in to travel with and it won't just like disintegrate. Yeah, so that's what I'm here for. On to packing toiletries. Here I'm packing all my goodies, shampoo, conditioner, and I know I'll need a lot of these since I'll be swimming in the ocean every day and going to be washing my hair pretty much every day. So I love these squeeze tubes right here because they also have a silicone opening which locks in and prevents any spills or liquids from leaking in our luggage, which would be such a disaster. So these are super life-changing. Alright you guys, I am on to packing all my tech stuff, so I want to make sure I have everything. I have my little cameras and my chargers, my little video camera case, and my microphone chargers in here. I also have my digicam, so excited to take sunset flash photos with this, and the chargers in here as well. And then gotta have a portable charger for my phone. She's been running out very fast. I really like how this one has the like cord attached, so I don't have to worry about that. And then the charger for this. Do not forget your charger for your portable. I have done that before. I'm gonna bring my, I don't know if I'm gonna bring my laptop. I'm gonna think about it, but this is the charger for it. And then I have my phone charger here. And I have this little Sanrio cinema roll guy on it. I think his nose got rubbed off, but this is like for the cord so it doesn't get bent, and it's really cute. I always can tell which cord is mine. But yes, I'm gonna pack all of these in their own little bag. I have this little zip bag just because I want to keep things a bit padded and make sure they are nice and protected. Also, I'm on a packing jewelry right now, and my little hair accessories and hair clips and stuff like that. I thought I had like a little jewelry box organizer, but I can't find it. I don't think it's here, but that's okay. I'll figure out another way to pack my jewelry. I just want to show you guys my little cutie hair clips. I'm wearing one right now. I have this claw clip and just like all these flower pins, and hair elastics and little gold crimps. They're over there, but I'm gonna pack all those up and put them. This one's really cute too. So cute. So I'm gonna put them all in a little bag and I'm gonna pack them with me. I like to have different colors of them so I can match my outfits, and also sometimes I just like to clip this one onto my bag because it's just a cute little accessory. Alrighty, you guys, so this is what it's looking like right now. I have all my outfits laid out on the bed. I feel like my outfits are really tiny, so they're not gonna take up that much room, which is kind of surprising because I'm always someone to overpack. And also the weather's hot, so I don't need like all these big coats and sweatshirts and stuff, but I'm gonna start packing away. And also one thing that really helps me out is laying it all out on the bed. But when I was in Europe, my friends and I would take weekend trips all the time, like every weekend. So I would always need a pack list. So I have that list still on my phone and I just like look that up. It's really nice to have it kind of all written out, and then you can check off if you have everything. And I think that's what has really helped me with any other future packing trips. I always refer to that list, lay it all out, and then start putting it in the suitcase. So let's start packing it, and yeah, let me go grab it. Okay, you guys, I just had to take a quick pause because this is so cute. I wanted to show you guys my little vacation luggage snapshot, and I did this other one too. It is so cute. I love this trend, but okay, on to packing the rest. Made it to my eyebrows appointment, and I always feel amazing after my brows are done and super clean. I love them really sharp, and I gave myself a gel pedicure at home. I did French tips with a hibiscus flower on the toe, and they came out super cute. Alrighty, you guys, the last thing I'm gonna pack is my carry-on. I typically have like a traveler's backpack for this. Again, don't have it with me unfortunately, but that's okay. I'm just gonna use my handbag here. This one is a vintage one. I have no idea what brand it is even. I love all the zippers and details. I have just like some everyday stuff. I have some hand sanitizer. Always want to bring that, especially to the airport. I have a granola bar in here because I get a little hungry sometimes, all the time when I'm traveling. I always like to bring my makeup bag and my makeup and skincare bag in my carry-on, just so I have it, just in case I need it. A little retouch, refresh moment, but also those are really important to me, so I want to keep those safe with me. I'm also going to bring a book and also some headphones as well, because I like to wear that on the plane. So let's see if these fit in here. Yeah, we're getting there. Okay. Awesome. And then I'm gonna bring a jacket with me just so I can wear that on the plane because I usually get super cold on planes. Also have my wallet in here, of course. And this is my carry-on, you guys. Alrighty, you guys, that is the end of our travel checklist. Hawaii has such a special place in my heart. I had such an amazing trip, and I'm so excited to share it with you all in my upcoming vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful for your next vacation, and I will talk to you guys very soon.